Hello, Dr. Byron Bucky Phillips, your professor of business management and leadership and your consultant on business management leadership and leadership and happiness. The topic for today's video is employee engagement. One of the most vital management metrics should be employment engagement. There is nothing more than having your employees engaged so that they're working toward organizational goals, but getting many of their own private and personal needs met at the same time, so that they get satisfaction and happiness through the job and not around the job. Employees need to have a voice. Engaged employers know that they should engage employees who will then become more invested in the organization. And they tend to adapt then and adopt to the organizational culture so that there's more success, better value orientation, and goals, both personal and professional, are achieved. Highly engaged employees will contribute to your organization in 4 different ways. Number 1, profit. Number 2, less turnover, which will translate into better employees and more sustained innovation and effort. 3, fewer safety issues. And 4, higher rates of customer loyalty, happiness, and satisfaction. Engaged employees are more loyal to their organizations, and they believe in the vision set forth by upper management. Engaged employees are more optimistic, team-oriented, and go beyond one's job description. One of your unifying principles should always be that employees are committed to the organization, number 1, and their own job description, number 2. Engaged workers are emotionally committed and more passionate about all aspects of work and the organization. Engaged employees have more positive feelings. Engaged employees are motivated and inspired to take on challenges that go beyond their particular job description. Now, we need leaders to facilitate more engagement. This will result in more happiness, more effective communication, and we need to make sure we recognize employees as individuals, but also their particular accomplishments at work. So, managers, conduct regular employee engagement surveys. Check in with your employees. Use what Cisco calls the love or loathe approach each week. Ask employees, what'd you love about your work this week? What did you loathe or hate about your work this week? That gives you insight into what the employee loves, and then you can channel him or her into more of those activities so that they'll be loyal and committed. Employee engagement